Hello, my name is Jenna McGrath, and I would like to welcome you to my Literacy E-Unit. I have chosen to pick the topic of dogs and pets for my E-Unit because I personally love dogs and would like to share that with my students. Also, many students have had pets of their own, so it is a topic that students can relate to. For the students that have never had a pet, there is still many different ideas and skills that they can share with the class as well. Throughout this E-Unit, students will develop new skills that all readers should possess, all while reading fun and interesting books. This is my homepage, and then this is the book Arthur's New Puppy that is also my guided reading book. And this is just a little excerpt of what the E-Unit has. So on this page is my guided reading plan, and guided reading is an approach used by teachers to meet various instructional needs of all students in the classroom. The goal of guided reading is not to teach a selected book, but to teach students reading strategies that they can apply to all books. The book that I have chosen to use for my guided reading plan is Arthur's New Puppy. My guided reading lesson is broken down into 6 different components: pre-reading, reading, response to reading, review and reread, apply the literature, and then modifications and accommodations for ELL students, or English Language Learner students. The next page is my shared reading plan. On this page, I chose the book Big Dog, Little Dog by P.D. Eastman. Shared reading is an interactive reading experience that occurs when students join in or share the reading of a book or other text while guided and supported by a teacher. The teacher explicitly models the skills of a proficient reader, including reading with fluency and expression. A shared reading plan is carried out throughout 5 days with the same book. The first day is focused on alphabet knowledge. The second day is focused on phonological or phonemic awareness. The third day is focused on sight words. The fourth day is focused on analyzing words. And the fifth day is focused on phonics. Each day, students engage in fun and creative activities that help them develop those skills learned on each day. All of the activities that I have planned for my shared reading plan are in the text below. My next page is my related literature page. On this page, I have chosen several works of literature that relate to my E-Unit theme. The books in my related literature are varying reading levels and stories, which allow each student to find a book that is interesting to them and also on their reading level. My last page is my ebook. I have created my own ebook that is related to the topic of my literacy E-Unit. The story I wrote is called All About Dogs, and it focuses on repetition, rhythm, rhyme, and vocabulary. With this book, teachers can help children learn reading strategies that will allow them to become stronger readers. I will now read my book, All About Dogs by Jenna McGrath. I dedicated this book to my own dog, Caleb, because he is the greatest dog in the world. There are big dogs. There are small dogs. There are young dogs. There are old dogs. There are fast dogs. There are slow dogs. Dogs like to eat. Dogs even like to smell your feet. Dogs like to dance. Some dogs like to wear pants. The one fact that is always true is that your dog will always love you. The end. My e-unit has the components to allow students to become strong readers, all while reading about a fun and interesting topic. Thank you so much for visiting my literacy e-unit. I hope you enjoyed my work and my ideas.